1776, Abigail Adams writes to her husband John Adams while he is writing the Constitution, "Remember the ladies," to which he writes and replies, "All men are created equal." 1821, Emma Hart opens the first school for girls. 1836, Sarah Gramicki begins her first career as a women's rights advocate. 1837, the first National Female Anti-Slavery Society. 1848, the states follow Connecticut. 1809, allowing women to write wills, and the Married Women's Property Act, allowing women to own their property of their own. 1848, the first Women's Rights Convention. 1850, Harriet Tubman escapes slavery. 1861 to 1865, the American Civil War. 1866, Elizabeth Cady Stanton and Susan B. Anthony from the American Equal Rights Association, White and Black Women and Men, Universal Suffrage. 1868, 14th Amendment is ratified. 1869, women's rights movement splits into two factions. Elizabeth and Susan form a New York-based National Women's Suffrage Association. Lucy Stone, Henry Blackwell, and Julie Ward Howe, American Women's Suffrage Association. 1870, 15th Amendment is ratified. 1872, Susan B. Anthony attempts voting and is arrested. 1878, a suffrage amendment is introduced but not passed. 1911, the National Association opposed to women's suffrage is led by Arthur Dodge. 1912, we get some attention with Theodore Roosevelt's Progressive Party becomes the first national political party to adopt a women's suffrage plank. 1913, Alice Paul and Lucy Burns organized a congressional union, starting hunger strikes, pickets at the White House, and engaged in other forms of civil disobedience for the suffrage cause. 1918 to 1920, World War I. Then, August 26, 1920, our 19th Amendment is ratified, allowing women the right to vote. Now we have many great American women to thank for our right to vote in every election, even if it affects the way that men vote and the way that they want it to go. To those states who say no, we say yes to the right to vote.